second. This train caught me off guard because I just heard A and Y, then I heard the rail car signals go off. I was like, oh crap, I'm fine. So I'm gonna get its fading shots. Alright. There it goes off in the distance. I'm here and we're able to get better shots of these remaining ACL signals that have been here for years and years. As they will be replaced, I heard June 1st. That'd be a sad day. There goes that cold train northbound. I didn't get the symbol because when I turned it on, I heard A and R. I was like, oh crap, that's not near here, and I was barely at the station. So then I heard A and Y, then all the rail car signals go off. And also one thing, guys, some of you may know, and some of you have told, that I'm going to Canada by Amtrak this Saturday, June 4th. And I'll be heading up midnight at around 12:50ish northbound on Silver Meteor PO 98. I'm arriving in New York at 11 a.m. staying there overnight, and then I'm taking the Adrian DAC. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm going northbound up to Montreal, I believe. And I'm gonna go visit my uncle for about a week and a half, or about a week, and then we're coming back down to Maple Leaf 64, and then we're stopping in New York, staying there for a night or two, and then we're coming back on PO 97 Silver Meteor on June 16th. If there's any information that you guys need to tell me, let me know. And definitely when I'm on the train, since the whole trip is about 2 weeks, and just 2 days of that is just on train. So if there's like any train frequencies for you guys that live north of me and all that stuff, you guys can tell me that in the comments below. So I thought I'd just let you guys know, and I may have another video, maybe one more video before the big one. So you guys stay tuned for next week. It'll definitely be exciting. So this is CJ signing off. Well, the last shot that I just took are the new signals for southbounds that they installed, I guess, a few weeks ago. Man, these ACL signals have been here as long as I remember. They will be missed. Hate to see them go. Right now, the radio chatter that you're hearing is from Milan Yard. It's about a mile away from here. Once you get off that curve, well, the curve that northbounds go on, right before they get out of the site, Milan Yard is like, I would say maybe like a 30 seconds to 60 seconds.
What you showing them back there, help?
In front of that part, and then it goes off to like the right side of it, and then it's just the yard right there. So that's where all that chatter's from.
That's all I got.
These ACL signals are going to be replaced by these new Darth Vader signals. I think they're okay, but I still prefer these old babies. I was gonna call them that because they're not necessarily babies. These old signals. I don't know why they're replacing them, but I guess they cost a lot for like maintenance and all that stuff. But nothing I know. I'm not sure if this tower is probably gonna be removed, and then of course they installed that new one right here. These are most likely the last shots of these remaining ACL signals before they get removed. There's still one right here. There's one in the center of town. I'm not sure if they're gonna replace those. There's one right here. I mean, I'm pretty sure that one's gonna take the place of this new one's gonna take the place of this one, so they're probably gonna remove that one. But yeah. So in 2 days they should be replaced. I heard that they're gonna be taken down June 1st, but I don't know. It's probably a good possibility that they will. As these old ones, I mean these new ones are ready to go, I would assume. So, this is CJ. Out.
Hey, you're showing on the rear 8.
We want to be sure particularly that it's not electrical.
Yeah.
What do you say?
It's just for a precaution.
Well, electrical is dangerous. That could,
Yeah, electrical fires are really, yeah.
if it's electrical.
Come again. What did you say?
If it has to do with anything electrical, and electrical wiring, yeah, it could set off a fire.
Yeah.
So these people have just come to look and say, okay, it's not electrical, it's just maybe whatever, somebody bumped into it or something. Or maybe there is one of these people who were inside here who was sent by ISIS. So the thing detected an ISIS smell.
Oh man.
Go check all of them out.
Is that a British flag right there?
Which one?
Where?
Right there.
Where?
The one with the cross or right
That
here.
could be, maybe. I don't see it.
Well, the fire department's here.
That's the Union Jack. Oh,
You see?
another one. Cool.
That makes 3. 2 fire engines and a ladder truck.
We found a truck finding. Yeah,
Isn't there literally a fire station right there?
yeah.
Yeah, it's really close.
No, like right there.
I guess. I don't know.
It's real close.
Because this is a public building, so they have to
Real close. Like it's not here, it's on the other side of it. I know there's a fire station down there. Go down that road.
Yeah, that's what that first fire truck came from. Fire engine, I
You know
should
what they're
say.
doing? You have to call emergency. That's why it's just, what do you call it? They will tell you, oh well, we don't have money for gas, so you pay money for gas. You pay money for
See you
gas.
guys.